So you need to pair a student in Canvas with a specific observer. There are two main ways to do this. For the first way, you would need to have the observer already enrolled into the course and set up with an observer role. I can change the role of anyone added to a Canvas course by clicking on the three-dot menu, clicking Edit Role, and then choosing that to be observer. Now, once you have set someone to have an observer role, teachers or admin will have the ability to link to students. If you click that, that's going to give you the option to pull up whatever student you want this individual to be the observer of, and you click Update. Now, there is a second option to do this as well. To do this, you'll log into the student's account and go to their account settings here on the left-hand side, and then you're going to click on Settings. Somewhere on the screen, you're going to see an option to pair with Observer. Go ahead and click that. And then this is going to give you a specific code that the observer can use to connect with you and have access to all of the courses in which you are enrolled. So then what will this look like on the observer side once that person has been added? Well, it depends a little bit on how your account was initially set up, if it was set up as an observer or if it was set up with a different role initially. But here is the gist. So this is a dashboard of someone who's been given an observer role in a course for a specific student. You'll notice there's a course invitation that I have to accept. And now I have the ability to look at this course in two ways. If I originally had sort of non-specific observer status, I can get to the course and not see a specific student. But once I've been added as an observer, I'm going to have this little drop-down menu right up here where I can click on that and switch into the specific student that I'm observing and view the course through their eyes, essentially. For some users, there's also going to be an option here where you can add another student, and that's where the generated pairing code would come in. That would happen right there. But again, it just depends on how your account was initially set up. But to switch back and forth, you will have this little drop-down menu appear, and you can switch between your regular account, or if you are a parent and you're observing multiple students, you will see multiple students appear here in the drop-down.